This wrap is the ultimate chicken wrap. It's so delicious and tasty. This sauce is so flavorful, healthy and delicious, and it's so quick and easy to make. Let's start by cutting up a piece of green bell pepper. Green pepper is very high in vitamin C, which is needed for collagen synthesis, and it's great for immune health. Next, cut up some slices of onion. Onion has antiviral and antibacterial properties and also calcium for bone health. Next, cut up a few mushrooms into smaller pieces. Mushrooms are great for immune health. Next, cut up some scallions. Scallions have antioxidants like quercetin and lutein. It's also great for heart health, and it also has fiber, which is great for digestive health. Add a clove of garlic. Mash the garlic and add it to the pot. Dry your chicken breast with a piece of paper towel. Next, cut the chicken into thin strips. Now let's add some seasoning. I'm adding a generous amount of my 21 seasoning salute. Next, add some garlic powder. Next, add a dash of basil. Next, add a dash of red pepper flakes. Next, add a pinch of sea salt. Add a dash of smoked paprika. Rub the seasoning into the chicken. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. Also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic extra virgin olive oil. Now let's cook the chicken. Fry the chicken strips on both sides. When the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pot and set it aside. Add your veggies to the pot. We're going to saute the veggies for 2 to 3 minutes. Half of the time I add thin strips of cabbage to this meal. The cabbage boosts the health factor, and it also adds a crunch to this meal. Add a dash of 21 seasoning to the veggies. Add a dash of garlic powder. Add a dash of basil seasoning. Also add a dash of black pepper. Next, add a dash of Himalayan pink salt. And lastly, add a dash of sea salt. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to make sure that the veggies are moist. Now the veggies are all done. Cut up the chicken strips into smaller pieces. Add the chicken strips to the multigrain wrap. we're gonna use some sriracha sauce. Next, we're gonna make a sauce using sriracha and some organic mayonnaise. Mix evenly to combine both of these things. You want a nice, smooth and creamy consistency. Now add your veggies to your wrap. You can put as much as you like. Next, we're gonna add a handful of cheese. Add the cheese to your wrap. Next, add a few slices of tomato. Next, add some fresh spinach. Spinach is loaded with important nutrients. It is great for brain health. It has antioxidant lutein and zeaxanthin, which is great for eye health. It has fiber and lots more. Next, tuck in all your veggies and chicken inside the wrap. Next, we're gonna put the wrap on a cast iron grill to give it a little bit of a smoky flavor. Add a little bit of butter to the top of the wrap. Let this brown for about 2 minutes and it's all done. Put your wrap on a plate. So yummy and flavorful. Now let's cut our wrap to enjoy. Please comment below, what wraps do you like to make? Look at all the wonderful ingredients. So healthy and yummy. This is so delicious. I love to put extra sauce on this wrap. It is so tasty and bursting with flavor. And to help you improve your health, I have created a free natural and holistic health guide. The link is in the description. And for more healthy recipes, please check out my natural and holistic health course and book at shirleenwees.com. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.